Okay, let's jump in here again and play around with this. So we have some information here. We're told that our receivable collection days are 45 days. 45 over 365 is equal to my receivables of 25,000 as a fraction over my sales. I don't know what my sales are. Oops, sorry. Over X, right? That's what the fraction is really saying. Because this question is really asking, what is sales revenue? So it tells me everything is on credit. Be careful, Oyen. Use 360. They're telling you 360. So let's do that. Let's find sales. And I mean, remember at the same time, I'm also doing the same thing here. I'm doing 64 over 360 is equal to payables of 18,000 over Y, if you like, if you want to call it that. So the question is, what is X? This is revenue, of course, and this is cost of sales, right? In a weird kind of way. So revenue here we have, if I'm just finding what X is, in a way, I'm just sort of cross multiplying. If you can see where we're going, but just use your math, whatever math tools you're using to play around with this. But I would take this over there and take this over there. So in effect, X here becomes 2,500 times 360, or 25,000 times 360 divided by 45. And Y here becomes 18,000 times 360 divided by 64. So here you have 25,000 times 360 divided by 45. And here you have X being 200,000. So I have 200,000. I'll put that in here. 200,000. And then 18,000 times 360 divided by 64 is 101,250. That's what I have. So my gross profit becomes the difference, of course, minus 200,000, which is 98,750. Let's look at my expenses. It says here that expenses are budgeted to be 80,000, split equally between fixed and variable. So that's 40,000 there. It's 40,000 here. It says the actual expenses, the fixed were 5% higher than expected. That's 1.05. And the variable were 2% higher than expected. That's 1.02. So do the calculation for that. 40,000 times 1.05, 42,000. That's 42,000. 42,000 plus 40,000 times 1.02. That's 4,800. 40,080. Sorry, 40,800. Add the two together, and you have 82,800. 82,800. And so your net profit is about taking this away from the 98,750. And so you have in the end a net profit of 15,950. 15,950. And there we are. That's that. Then the question goes on to what is the year-end inventory? So we have some more information. We just did this. We have current assets over current liabilities is equal to 1.9. My current liabilities is at 18,000. So my current assets are 1.9 times 18,000. That's 1.9 times 18,000. That's 34,200. So what do I know? I know that what do I have? I'm looking for my closing inventory. I have two of the assets. I need the third, of course. So I have cash and I have receivables. So I have cash and receivables of 5 and 25, all making 34,200. I'm missing inventory. And so, of course, if this is 30,000, the difference must be 4,200 because that's the difference. All three add up, if you like, to all three add up to being those total assets. Cool, great stuff.